Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a banana hair mask. I washed my hair already after using the hair mask. So we'll see the video how to do the hair mask and how well it has worked out for me. For this mask I've taken 3 ripe bananas. It's better to always take really ripe ones, when the skin starts turning black, don't throw it away, use it for hair mask. Then 2 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of honey. So you can alternate, instead of honey you can use aloe vera gel if you have it at home. Whatever you have at home, try to use that. Don't simply go out and buy products and waste. And always remember to mix it in a mixer, because when you mix it in your hand it might be it'll have some lumps, so it'll be difficult to apply. And my hair is so itchy, so smelly, and I'm not able to wash my hair more than twice a week because of the length, and I don't have so much time. And because of sweating a lot due to our climate and all the day-to-day activities we're doing, it starts to smell sometimes, it starts to itch. So once a week, when you can just create some packs like this and just take care of your hair, it will be much better to maintain the life of your hair, the health of your hair. Whenever you apply a hair mask, try to section your hair into equal sections, and most importantly, please detangle your hair, because you're going to go strand by strand. You're going to run through the strands with the mask. So because you want this to be effective on every strand of your hair, right? When you're running through the strands, it shouldn't be so difficult to do it because of the knots. So it's better to detangle your hair first, then section your hair. The application will become very easy and you will also enjoy doing it, because I was enjoying myself while I was applying this pack, thinking my hair is going to gain back its life. And I'm applying so much on the ends because ends have become so dry. I don't know why it's becoming dry nowadays. Maybe it's because of our climate also, and our winter season is starting. No big difference for Indians with winter or summer, but even some mild changes in the climate, I can see big difference in my hair. But let's not give up, guys. We have to take care of our hair, our skin. And it's not necessary to go out and buy very costly products only to apply and take care of your hair, skin and all. We have everything in our kitchen. Just figure out what suits best for you. Try to find out what kind of hair you have. Then accordingly, so many channels so many videos say what kind of mask to use for what kind of hair. Just buy the products in the kitchen. And always remember to use the correct amount according to the length of your hair. Please don't unnecessarily, with all joy, don't go make one full bowl of the pack and just apply half of it, because we are going to use our hand. That's the most comfortable way to apply the pack. And once you leave your hand into some packs, they will get spoiled. You cannot store it also. You'll have to eventually throw it. Why do you have to waste? Instead, use what's necessary. It was so easy for me to apply because I took out all the tangles. And always remember to massage your hair once you finish applying the pack. That's how it's going to soak into your scalp, and that's how it's going to work. Please massage it. Massage your scalp for some time and tie it into a top knot. It has become so stiff. Even though I took out the tangles, it has become stiff. And it's knotted in the ends again. But it's not going to be difficult after we wash off. It'll, come back to normal. So not to worry about all that. Clutching it, and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Then we'll see how well it has come out. So that's about the video, guys. It feels really soft, as you can see in other videos or other photos. It doesn't give that mirror like shine on your hair. It keeps your hair the way it is, but it just gives the extra smoothness to it. And if you have an itchy scalp, the pack that I used has reduced it. I mean, it's completely gone for me, because Usually in India we sweat a lot because of our climate, and we can't wash our hair every single day. So I cannot especially wash my hair every single day, so I'll have to just leave it like that and wash it just twice a week. um, so this pack has helped me to get rid of the itchy feeling, and usually my hair is very rough, very frizzy, but after using this pack I feel the dryness is reduced. I wouldn't just give unrealistic points over here. I wouldn't say it's fully gone, it has absolutely worked and all. After a very long time I've used this pack, and it is showing a bit of a difference. It is definitely showing some difference, but I wouldn't say it would show a very big difference in the first instance itself. Such packs should be used frequently, at least twice a month, for you to see results. Otherwise you cannot just expect results by using it for the first time alone. So don't expect very huge results in the first time. You can see difference, you can actually do this, you can feel the softness, you can feel there is no much tangle, it's very easy to take it off. You don't have to use conditioner or serum when you use this pack, so that's a really good thing. Some things you need to remember while doing this pack is I made a mistake. When you do a banana pack, once you mix it in the mixer, please strain it to take out those black seeds. What happened is today I forgot to strain it, and those black seeds started getting stuck in my hair. Not to worry, even if you don't have a strainer at home, it's totally fine. Just apply it. Once your hair dries, it will eventually fall off. That's a good thing about banana hair mask. When you're washing your hair after applying the mask, first wash your hair thoroughly before applying a little bit of shampoo. Wash it completely. All of it won't go. I wouldn't say like everything will go, because banana is very sticky. Some will be remaining in your hair even after you shampoo. Not to worry, once your hair dries, it will fall out. It won't be in your hair forever. So don't worry about it. Only thing is, just try to strain the pack before you start using it to remove those black seeds. Second thing is, don't use much shampoo when you're applying hair mask. Just apply mild shampoo just for removing the rest of the pack or the oily feeling from your hair. That's all. Don't use heavy shampoo or heavy conditioner while you're applying hair mask. Third thing is, you don't even have to apply hair serums after you wash. But if you feel your hair is really damaged, and for the first few times you use the hair serum, but later try it on without the serums, it really will work. I have been using this pack for a very long time, so it has worked very well. Banana is really good for your hair, especially curd. I added banana curd and honey. All of these are very hydrating factors, and you really need a lot of hydration to your hair. And also remember, just by applying packs to your hair is not going to be okay. If it's really damaged, you need to start noticing on the things you eat also. The way you're drinking water, whatever you're eating, is it nutritious? It is actually 60 or 40. 60% of what you intake and 40% of what you care for your hair and skin outwards. That's how the ratio works. So make sure you eat healthy, drink a lot of water, be hydrated. Even when you're not hydrated, your hair will start drying out, your skin will start drying out. So make sure you drink a lot of water every single day. Just make it a point. No matter what, you have to drink a lot of water. And it's also good for your health. And eat a lot of good stuff. Balance. I know we can't stop eating junk, especially right now. We're all at home and we crave a lot because we're sitting at home all the time, and most of the time we are watching TV and something or the other pops out. I'm not telling don't avoid junks, don't eat pizza, burgers and all. Limit it. Don't eat it too much. Even that will start creating oiliness on your hair, on your skin. Some pimples and all will start coming. So I would say balance your junk and your good food also. Maybe weekly once or twice you can have junk food from outside. Otherwise, try to eat from home. Cook at home, cook vegetables, non-veg at home and eat. And one more, I just want to finish off this video by telling this: it was not an easy job for me to grow my hair out. I faced a lot of struggles. At some point I had lice, I had dandruff, I had dryness, itchiness, serious frizz problem. But I had to take care of my hair. I decided only if I take care of my hair is going to be healthy. It's not that naturally I got a hair like this. So that's what I want to tell to all you guys. Don't get intimidated by looking at people having great hair. It's not easy for everybody. They would have done something different, they would have done something good for taking care of their hair. Find what that is, start following a routine, and start taking care of your hair. And please do try out this mask and let me know in the comments if it has worked for y'all. So until I meet y'all with another video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And please do let me know if you want to know more hair care tips and skincare tips that I have been following on daily basis. Until I meet you all soon, take care, stay safe, bye.